Hi guys, I'm Arvind, Destination Manager for Europe at Pick Your Trail. Today we're going to talk about 5 top tips to plan your Europe vacation. Anywhere between April and September would be a lovely time, with June to September being a personal recommendation. This is honestly a question not so easily answerable because there are so many options across Europe. You can visit countries ranging from France, Switzerland, Italy, East of Europe, Croatia, Austria, Hungary, or the Scandinavian countries. Just choose your pick. I think you need a minimum of 7 days. Europe is such a beautiful place, but anywhere between 7 and 20-25 days would be ideal depending on the time and budget you have in your hand. Anywhere between 1 to 1.5 lakh per person on average. This again depends on the inclusions you pick. Schengen visa, it's better to apply as early as possible. You can now apply for a Schengen visa around 180 days before your date of departure. We have a visa expert team with a 98% success rate when it comes to Schengen visa. So just to plan your Europe vacation, log on to pickyourtrail.com for end-to-end support and expert guidance. It's time to unwrap the world.